Hi everybody, I'm Ron and Judy's behind the camera with Full Time Dream, and it's Friday and we're going to do a couple more subscriber requests. Stay tuned. Hello everybody, and today's Friday and that's why I'm wearing red. The red is for Remember Everyone Deployed. And just think about all of the people that are out there, thousands of people that are deployed all across the whole entire world, and their families that are missing them. On that note, we're going to get started with our first subscriber request. Tim and Kim Murphy from Western New York asked us to do a review on this Entegra Accolade. Make sure I got it right, 37K XL. The overall length of this rig is 39 feet 4 inches. It's built on a Freightliner chassis, and it's got the 6.7 liter Cummins diesel. Let's go ahead and start our way around on the inside. In the kitchen we got solid countertops, solid surface countertops with an extension that comes up on the end. We have storage under the extension. We have a deep sink that sets down inside, and the faucet comes down. It's very nice cabinetry that they've got in through the whole thing. Here we have a Furrion convection oven, convection microwave. This unit's all electric, so we have a two burner induction countertop with, again, a lot of storage underneath for different things. We come into a Whirlpool residential refrigerator freezer. Has an ice maker in the door. Coming along, we have the entertainment center, cabinets on top. The Insignia television. Underneath we have the entertainment center, the different things for the antennas. We have a fireplace that will also heat. As far as going with the heating, we have fully heated tile floors. This unit's a bath and a half, so this is the half bathroom. On the other side up front, there's again an awful lot of storage. We come into the dinette that has seat belts for extra passengers. We have a whole row of storage bins across the top. The table will go down so that we can make another bed. Continue down, there's the recliner sofa. An awful lot of really nice fixtures in this rig. Again, there's seat belts for extra passengers along the way. In the bedroom we have a king size bed. Let's see what we got going on. Storage over the top. We have both nighttime and daytime shades. There's small cubbies, cabinets on the sides. On the other side of the rig from the bed, you have some really nice wardrobe closets. They have drawers underneath. There's an awful lot of storage in here. I have an emergency escape window. We have a Samsung television in here. There's storage behind the television, but I'm not trying to move things out and get things out of whack.
Oh, here's outlets.
What's that?
Here's outlets across the way.
There's outlets on the desktop area. And another big wardrobe. Come back into the bathroom. In the bathroom, we have a shower that has very nice fixtures. It looks like it's got a rain type of shower head. Coming across, porcelain toilet. Then if you look off to the right hand side here, there is the washer dryer unit. Over the cab, there's a nice bunk with a 500-pound capacity. The cab's very easy to get in and out of. The seats are very comfortable. You have your air brake, your side or your leveling system, and right up here, I believe, is your radio control panel. Okay, another couple things that are part of this rig is that it's got double paned tinted windows. It also has a 2,000 watt sine inverter. I want to thank Tim and Kim. We had the opportunity to run into them here at the show and say hello, sit down and have a chat. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below. And hopefully we can have many more like this. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And we'll talk to you later. Bye now.